Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, in this video I will show you how you can create these amazing transition in Davinci Resolve. Let's begin. First of all, we have this video transition. Click right here, alright, and now right here we have triangle right. Now drag and drop this transition onto in between our clip. It will look like this. Alright, now we have to customize our transition. So how do you do it? Click onto this transition and now we have this amazing option where it says transition types. You can change this to any of what you want. Let's select here. It's a simple transition, but we have to customize it furthermore. You can add a border and change the border color right here. I'm going to, yeah, this is perfect. You can increase the border or you can decrease the border. Now it will look like this. Now we can customize this transition furthermore by simply increase the motion blur. Now check out the results. Here we have a transition type split. So this is how you can create customizable transition inside Davinci Resolve. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.